Hi folks, I'm Mark Johnson, and today I'm down just across the Iowa border. Uh, Thought I'd drop in and check on a project we did about, God, it must have been almost 9 years ago now. Lady bought this cabin from a competitor of mine. It operates over by Wilmer, and I won't go any further than that, but when they unloaded the logs, they dropped one of them and it broke. And anyway, they found that there was quite a few logs that were gonna break or not gonna be usable. So they came to me and I supplied them with some new logs, and then went on to furnish planks for the upstairs floor. We did the chinking on it, the staining on it, and excuse me, a lot of work. And owner did a lot of work too. Excuse me. Um, the the lady Patty Larson actually laid up all the stone here herself. So she's really ambitious. She'll be over here shortly. But look at the landscaping that they've done. Isn't that gorgeous? So I don't know if we can sneak inside or not. Probably locked up. Oh no, it's not. Look at the inside of this place. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how the refrigerator's hidden in a cabinet. And that's the decking, I guess, I sold her. And that's the Rumford fireplace that I built. And she did all the stonework on it. But we did all the interior chinking. And they did everything else. I think I helped to supply the flooring material, and she also did the stone in this grotto, or whatever you want to call it, around the hot tub. Pretty amazing gal, huh? So anyway, we'll take some pictures and post them on the website.